The content gods have blessed us again. I get to show you guys for a fifth, probably not final, time how to tune your TV. The software is evolving, it keeps changing. Things make sense one minute and they're not the next. It's like that with all tech. iPhone, whatever, right? So today I'm going to be showing you how to tune in your Majestic and probably other TVs. Now, this is prudent to the 24-inch TVs. We've noticed the new software coming through. It's a little bit different. People a little bit confused. Heck, even I was. And I'm not going to lie, I had to get a quick demo myself before showing you in a sarcastic tone how to be able to actually tune your TV in. So we are here again. So strap in, lock in. We're going to get it done. Why are we doing the video? Well, people keep getting no antenna errors and they freak out. They climb up on the roof. They poke their head through the hatch. They check whether or not their antenna is still on the roof. Damn Crusader, didn't connect their antenna. We certainly did. The error it's expressing to you is simply that it needs to be retuned. First and foremost, we're going to plug it in. You make sure your connections are tight. You make sure the little button on your booster is turned on. That gives the power and amplifier to be able to actually receive signal. I'm sure you've done that already. You're a smart girl, Jill. Now, once it's all hooked up, TV is locked on, it's in posi. Everyone is calm, cool, and collected and ready to smash this out of the park. What you're going to do is you're going to turn it on. And then when it turns on, we're going to press the home button. It's going to bring you to a display like this. Now, if you have a 27-inch TV, they only come in our Excalibur range. And they are probably not as frequent as a 24-inch. The software on the 24-inch, which is probably what you've got in your van, especially if you've got a Dreamhaven and a Crusader, this is what we're talking about. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to navigate to inputs. So we hit home and then we hit inputs, right? So on this screen, before we actually go into inputs, it says full screen app page, right? If we hit this here, it brings up your apps. It may even look like this on your display either, right? Pretty much though, it's basically the same thing. I press back, which is our little left arrow there, and then we go to this display, right? Inputs. Okay, game on, Mariel. Inputs, done. Then it pops up here, like so. Beautiful. You're going to press the down arrow until we get to live TV. You hit yes. Center, okay. That's our select button. Now, I know what you're thinking. I've already done this. I know, Jim. Chill out. We're getting there. It takes time. Skip me if you want. I don't mind, dude. But I'm going to start right at the start and end at the end. So, we're now on display watching, I'm sure, some absolute fine something in this chamber. Now, don't rate them. I don't think anyone really does. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to hit this quirky little icon that is, whoa, the TV screen button. Right? So we press it. Voila! Go away, sir. Brings up this beautiful little catalog here, which shows you your, what you're going to watch for Friday evening as you sit there scrolling in your phone, actually not watching it. That sort of fun stuff that couples do. So once we're on that, you notice you can go through all of the different channels, ABC, ABC HD, 9 HD, 7, blah, 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 right? So we go all the way up because what we want to do is, I assume these are all blank for you, or they might be pre-filled from the previous location, right? Because you've moved locations. If you move locations, it's much like, your SIM card. You got to tell it you're in Berlin if you've gone to Berlin, right? So we've gone to Dubbo from Campbellfield. Long drive, but we got Macca's on the way. It was fun. You know what I mean? So all the way up. Now, you keep going up. We are at the title bar up here. My one piece of advice, guys, with these, as much as it's a humorous, fun, loving time, and I'm 6 videos deep, and my wife wonders why I don't come home anymore, all those sort of things, right? So what you're going to do is just take your time, go slow. People all the time when I'm FaceTiming them going through this sort of stuff, quick on the press, and I'm like, just pull, just pull. If it doesn't jump straight away, give it 5 minutes. Like, things load, things take time, it's software. Just give it a break. It's trying its best, right? So we go all the way up, right? Now I'm at broadcast. I'm highlighted because I'm on broadcast, much like the Netflix menu, right? So we go across, and we go across. And our aim is to get to this cog, right? You're navigating left to right with these left to right and OK center buttons, right? So we go, now that we're on the cog, we're going to go down, right? So we're on the cog, then I press down, and then we go to setup. Beautiful. Now you got all these options. I assume you don't need to parental control your own watching, but hey, whatever, dude. Now, channel scan. This is what we're looking for, baby. Channel scan. That looks old. So, we're going to go down to digital scan. we're at digital scan and we hit right because we want to go into digital scan. Then you've got antenna, cable, satellite. You want to be on antenna, okay? Then we're going to go down to auto scan. Love it, right? And then you hit antenna auto scan like so, and then okay. And it says, are you sure? Blah, blah. Yes, I am. Let's do it. Number of services found, 9. He's done it again. Unbelievable. He's kicked it out of the park. It's going to tune up. It's going to do its thing. You're going to have TV. There are just some places across Australia where you're just not going to get reception. What should we do then? Hey, I don't know what sort of relationship you got. I got a few ideas, but it's up to you. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's a bit of fun, it's a bit of a laugh, but it's real stuff. We get calls every single day with people not knowing how to tune their TV in, and it seems to be one of the biggest frustration points out there in using their vans. All you have to do is jump in, have a go, take your time, and sooner or later you get 60 channels up on the roof with your omnidirectional antenna. If you don't get reception, try it at the next spot. Ask a fellow vanner. Work through the process, watch some TV, and most importantly, have fun. Get out there, enjoy the bush. You know, stay in the side, enjoy the bush. I don't mind, it's up to you. See you guys in the next one. If you want to head to more tutorials, head to www.crusadercaravansmelbourne.com.au. Head to our YouTube channel where you can see other absolutely hilarious, not by me, critically acclaimed videos of where I get to show you how to actually use the van, or just silly little bits and bobs that might find useful. You can like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Catch you on the 7th TV video.